Lucas was waiting for his flight at a crowded airport in Chicago. His flight was delayed for 3 hours. Bored and tired, he sat near gate 14. A young woman named Ava sat beside him. She was reading a novel and drinking coffee. Suddenly, an announcement startled her, and her coffee spilled onto the floor. Lucas quickly helped her clean it up. They both laughed. One conversation turned into hours of talking. They talked about dreams, travel, and life. Soon, it was time to board. But there was one problem. They were flying to different cities. At the gate, Ava smiled sadly. Then she handed Lucas her boarding pass. On the back, she had written her phone number. And one sentence. Some delays are actually blessings.